We are learning new details this afternoon about this woman, Monica Chavez, accused of killing a family of 5 when she lost control of her car in Thornton last year. 7 News reporter Lance Hernandez in the courtroom for all of today's testimony. And Lance, was she actually cleared to be driving?
Well, and that's something that jurors may have to decide. You know, the ER doc says he told her not to drive until cleared by a neurologist following an episode back in 2006. Now, in her discharge papers back then, the word neurologist was shortened to neuro. And the defense attorney says some people took that to mean neurological exam, which she says Chavez had the very next day at her regular doctor's office.
But based on the history and my findings, the likelihood was that this was probably a seizure.
Dr. Brian Williams told the court he was 80% sure in February of 2006 that Monica Chavez suffered a seizure, and it was not just a fainting spell when she collapsed at an Albertson store. He says he verbally told Chavez to see a neurologist in 5 days and to refrain from driving until cleared by a neurologist. But there was a problem getting some of those verbal instructions put down on paper.
Where does it say that she's supposed to follow up with a neurologist within 5 days?
It doesn't specifically say 5 days.
And again, it doesn't say with Drs. Chin or Crosby anywhere in the document.
No, somehow that didn't get translated from my sheet.
The only mention of a neurologist was do not drive until cleared by neuro. Now, prosecutors portrayed Chavez's failure to see a neurologist as negligence that contributed to a fatal accident at 84th and Grant in February of 2011. Investigators say Chavez's SUV hit the median and went airborne before slamming into 2 cars and killing Randy and Crystal Dawn Stolzheimer and their 3 children. Defense attorneys say that Chavez's discharge papers from the 2006 incident simply referred her to her primary care physician. She made an appointment with her PCP the very next day. Now, the family doctor who saw Chavez says that the neurological tests all came back clear. She said she couldn't tell if Chavez had suffered a seizure, and she issued no restrictions on her driving. In Brighton, Lance Hernandez, 7 News.
Interesting. All right. Thank you.